the sun go down.
This is the Astro 3. This is Test Track 2025 redo. We're doing the lightning lane, walking through. That's the Wolf. Oh! This is a standby line to the left. Lightning lane to the right. Shutting it down till something cool happens. All right, test vehicle of tomorrow. Customizable, minimalist, built for speed. Your test vehicle of tomorrow has been designed with the latest advancement in automotive technology so that you can safely set your own course for the future. It looks kind of eerily similar to the old one. And there it is. Test track, front seat, take 2 with audio.
I am your test vehicle.
I am your Tron test vehicle. Yeah, all right, that's more like it. It's a huge difference.
Let me show you how I see the world.
Thank you. Tell me about it too. Oh, you digitize it like in Tron?
Now I know why I did that.
Yeah, no shit. The car's talking to us. Our car is talking to us. It's Alexa enabled. I don't need to hold on to anything because it's just like mom driving. Yeah, see?
Power transfer complete.
Smart roads are just the beginning. Imagine being able to customize your vehicle at home.
Can I show them?
Go for it. First, select a new vehicle.
What about this one?
Your choice. Now let's
Cool RC car.
Look, let's try another.
Oh, look at that one.
Good with the third row.
here's what I think you're really
Oh, I could get used to this.
Yeah, baby. That looks like an Indy car.
Sure, it's always fun to be free.
Go, girl. Set it off. Nice little forest drive like we used to in the Datsun. That's the only thing I heard. I don't even remember hearing that.
And together, we keep moving forward.
This is going to be a Tron ride.
Drive to a brighter tomorrow. Let's go.
Beautiful. That's a Florida sunset with a nice storm involved.